Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Are you looking for best devices? Don't worry, go through the video. Here you will find all the latest and the best devices of all time. Today we are making videos on best-selling bathroom gadgets. If you like the product and want to buy them, then go through the description box, where the links of the products are given. Product 1. Product name: Bathroom Shelf. The Bathroom Shelf Kitchen Storage Organizer offers a versatile solution for organizing bathroom and kitchen essentials. Made from durable aluminum alloy, this multifunctional shelf provides ample space for storing items such as shampoos, shower gels, kitchen spices, or cooking oils. Its design allows it to be mounted without the need for drilling, making installation quick and hassle-free. This shelf is specifically designed to optimize space utilization in both the bathroom and kitchen areas. Its sleek and modern design complements various decor styles, adding both functionality and aesthetic appeal to any space. With multiple compartments and shelves, it helps to keep essentials neatly organized and easily accessible. Whether it's enhancing bathroom storage for toiletries or decluttering kitchen countertops, this versatile organizer offers practical solutions for everyday storage needs. Its sturdy construction ensures durability and longevity, while its easy Product 2. Product name: Interhasa. Paper Towel Dispenser. The Interhasa paper towel dispenser is a convenient and practical solution for dispensing paper towels in various settings, particularly in bathrooms and toilets. Designed to be wall-mounted, this dispenser offers a space-saving solution while ensuring easy access to paper towels for users. One notable feature of the Interhasa dispenser is its punch-free installation, which eliminates the need for drilling or mounting hardware, making it easy to install and minimizing damage to walls or surfaces. This dispenser is designed to accommodate standard paper towel rolls, providing a hassle-free way to ensure that paper towels are readily available for drying hands or other cleaning purposes. Its sturdy construction ensures durability and longevity, making it suitable for both residential and commercial use. Product 3. Product name: Wall-Mounted Cleaning Brushes. Wall-mounted cleaning brushes are a convenient and efficient solution for maintaining cleanliness in bathrooms and other spaces. Specifically, the Brishzaza new upgrade black plastic creative household bathroom wall-mounted cleaning brushes cleaner toilet brush with holders offers a sleek and functional design for tackling cleaning tasks effectively. This type of cleaning brush is designed to be mounted on the wall, providing easy access while also saving valuable floor space. The black plastic material used in the Brishzaza model not only adds a modern aesthetic to the bathroom, but also ensures durability and longevity. One of the notable features of this cleaning brush is its holder, which securely holds the brush in place when not in use, preventing clutter and promoting tidiness in the bathroom. The wall-mounted design keeps the brush off the floor, reducing the risk of contamination and making it easier to clean. Hard to reach. Product 4. Product name: Bathroom Mat. The bathroom mat is a versatile and practical accessory designed to enhance the functionality and aesthetics of various living spaces. This type of mat is commonly used in bathrooms, kitchens, balconies, porches, and entryways. One of the key features of a bathroom mat is its super absorbent nature, which helps to quickly soak up water and prevent slippery surfaces, enhancing safety in wet areas. This attribute makes it particularly suitable for use in bathrooms, where spills and splashes are common. Moreover, the non-slip design of the bathroom mat provides stability and prevents accidents caused by slipping, making it ideal for households with children, elderly individuals, or anyone seeking added safety precautions. The material commonly used in these mats is diatom mud, known for its high absorbency and natural properties. This material not only absorbs moisture effectively, but also helps to regulate humidity levels in the surrounding environment, contributing to a healthier indoor atmosphere. Various interior styles. Additionally, the washable feature of these mats ensures easy maintenance and long-term durability, making them a practical choice. Product 5. Automatic Foam Soap Dispensers. Bathroom mat. Automatic foam soap dispensers represent a modern solution to hygiene and convenience in bathroom settings. These dispensers are designed to automatically dispense foam soap, making hand washing effortless and efficient. Constructed from high-quality ABS material, they offer durability and longevity, suitable for long-term use in residential or commercial bathrooms. One notable feature of these dispensers is their automatic functionality, which eliminates the need for manual pumping or touching the dispenser, thus promoting hygiene. By reducing the spread of germs, users can simply place their hands under the dispenser and it will dispense the appropriate amount of foam soap, creating a seamless and sanitary hand-washing experience. Moreover, these dispensers are equipped with USB charging capabilities, ensuring convenient power supply, without the hassle of constantly replacing batteries. This feature enhances their usability and sustainability.
Thanks for watching. Links are in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.